starting an LLC, do this first. If you're thinking about starting an LLC, stop, because if you skip this first step, you could be setting your business up the wrong way from the beginning. Starting an LLC is exciting. You're stepping into ownership, building something for yourself, creating something that has the potential to grow. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. Starting an LLC is easy. Starting it the right way is where most people get it wrong. And those mistakes, they cost time, money, and missed opportunities. At Bridge Builders Business Services, we help entrepreneurs go from idea to fully structured and funding-ready businesses. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through what you actually need to do first before you file your LLC. Let's talk about what most people do. They get an idea, they get excited, and the first thing they think is, I need to file my LLC. So they go online, pick a name, submit paperwork, and think they're ready. But here's the problem. Filing is not step one. Filing your LLC without clarity creates confusion later, because once your LLC is filed, you're now operating a business. But if you don't know what you're offering, who you're serving, how you're making money, you're just guessing. And guessing leads to poor decisions, inconsistent growth, wasted time. So what should you actually do first? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, clarify your business purpose before anything else. You need clarity. What is your business? Not just the name, but the purpose. What problem are you solving? Who are you helping? Why does your business exist? Most people skip this step because they're focused on moving fast, but clarity is what gives your business direction. Without it, everything feels uncertain. When you have clarity, you make better decisions. You move with confidence, and your business starts with purpose. Step 2, identify your target audience. The next step is knowing who you serve. You cannot build a business for everyone. You need to be specific. Who are you helping? What are their problems? What do they actually need? If you don't know your audience, your message will be unclear. Your offers will feel off, and your marketing won't connect. When you understand your audience, everything becomes easier. Your messaging, your services, your pricing. Step 3, define your offer. Now that you have clarity, you need to define your offer. What are you selling? What are you actually providing? A service, a product, a solution? Many entrepreneurs struggle here because they're not clear on what they're offering, how to price it, or how to position it. Your offer should solve a problem, and it should be simple. When your offer is clear, your business becomes easier to operate. Step 4, plan how you will make money. This is where many people get stuck. How will you make money? You need a revenue plan. How does your business generate income? One-time services, monthly clients, products? If you don't plan your revenue, you'll struggle to grow. You may be working, but not earning consistently. A revenue plan gives your business stability, and stability leads to growth. And remember, growth takes time. You're building a lasting business. Step 5, build your basic structure. Now, you're ready to think about structure. Build your foundation. This includes how your business operates, how you deliver services, how you manage clients. This is what most people skip, but this is what makes your business work. Without structure, everything feels chaotic. With structure, everything flows. This is what we see every day. Entrepreneurs filing their LLC before they're ready, and then trying to figure it out after. And that's where mistakes happen. At Bridge Builders, we help you get clear. First, build your structure, then file the right way so your business starts strong and grows correctly. If you're ready to start your LLC the right way, the first step is clarity. Start the right way. Download our free LLC Starter Guide, book your LLC Readiness Assessment, or comment LLC START to help you get started. Your idea is not the problem, your structure is. Let's fix that and build your business the right way from the beginning.